Okay, so this is what I'm building. One system that offer four different main options. So the biometric, the QR authentication, the QR code, and the URL shortener. Now, of those four, the system that we have built, which is called the Square authentication scanner. So what it does, I'm gonna demonstrate quickly how it goes. So somebody in the business world, we have a lot of different things that we got to use. Whether it's you want to quickly connect in, you want to transfer your connection from one computer to another, you don't have to go through a two-step authentication and all that. All you gotta do is that if you have your mobile already connected, that will be the app already connected, and just with the tap of a button, and you will be boom inside. So what happens is that you generate the code from where you need to be connected, and you're gonna now scan the code. So this is the scanner, okay? You're gonna scan the code. When the code scan, it will automatically open, okay? And once you approve here, you will see here automatically it gets in, and boom, you're able to access your dashboard. That's really how fast it goes. And with that being said, there is also on WordPress integration where the plugin can be available on WordPress, and the user can give to all his customers or users to utilize the system to authenticate with a QR code. Okay, transfer connection from one computer to another, from device to another, and also crypto management that will be inside. The other thing is also including custom gateway where you can quickly put in a different gateway and customize what you need to do and so forth. So this is really what I'm doing, and it's been like now over 6-7 months, and that's really what that is. So I'm giving you the general idea, but the very key is to streamline just one button, one click, and then you can transfer your connection from one device to another as quick as possible. Somebody anywhere, give me your feedback, what you think, and that would be great. I will be open for you to have a try, but other than that, give me your feedback, and thank you.